everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1007 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am really excited about this product. This is from the brand DR.LIPP, which is a brand that I am not familiar with. So I love trying out products from new brands to me. And this is Superfood Tints. So this is 100% natural, which I think is so exciting and so cool. And so this is a 3-pack of what I would kind of describe as lip tints. So you get 3 different shades, and I mean, they're all full-size products here. And I got this in my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I believe. And this has a retail value of $23. So it's flavor and fragrance free. Only 5 natural ingredients. Whoa. And so the pigments are made from elderberry, sweet potato, and red radish. That is so neat, and I'm so excited to see what these colors are gonna look like. So it's supposed to be moisturizing. Love that. Okay, so this first one here is elderberry. And I wanna go ahead and swatch them. And I also wanna try applying it in a few different methods. Ooh, that does have a good tint to it, a nice kind of burgundy shade. I went to smell it, but it is fragrance free, just like it says, which is kind of an adjustment for me. Like, I like to have a fragrance. This next one is sweet potato. That one's pretty clear. Not as much pigment to that one, or color I should say. And then this one is red radish. Oh, cute. Some good red color to that. So they seem like a really great, just kind of lip gloss formula is what the swatches remind me of. Here are how those swatches look. And so first things first, I have to go ahead and apply one to my lips because my lips are feeling so dry. And so I'm gonna use the sweet potato because that one didn't seem to have as much color to it. And then I'm gonna save the ones with more color for my cheeks and my eyes. There we go. It feels so nice and hydrating on my lips. And wow, this is so super high shine. Like, this is so glossy. I love that. I love a super shiny gloss. But yeah, this one is pretty much completely clear. You can see on my lips now, it didn't really change the color of my lips at all, but it added so much shine that I feel like it's very enhancing. Next, I think I want to take the red radish and apply this to my cheeks. I'm really curious how this is going to look since it does have such high shine to it. Maybe I shouldn't go in with too much. But that is easier said than done when it comes to me applying blush. Ooh. You know what? That actually looks gorgeous. It gives such glow and radiance to the skin. It's definitely kind of weird to apply because it feels so sticky. But oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I love how this looks on my cheeks. And I honestly would not have really thought to apply this to my cheeks, but then it says apply it all over lips, cheeks, and eyes. And oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful flush of color, such a flattering blush shade, but then the glow that it gives the skin just adds such healthy radiance and dewiness. It's like a highlighter and a blush in one, but it doesn't have the sparkle of a highlighter. Wow, I love that. And it looks so good on the skin too. And I mean, it's still like sticky. It's not like it's drying down, but it's not so sticky that it's bothering me. And I don't really feel like it lifted my makeup really either. So, oh my gosh, that's amazing. that this is such a beautiful glowing blush highlighter type cheek radiance product. Wow, these are great. Okay, and then they say you can apply it to the eyes. Not something I would have thought to do with a tinted gloss, but let's go for it. So using the Elderberry shade now, see how this looks on the eyelid. Putting something this sticky on my eyelid kind of makes me nervous that it's going to be really uncomfortable. But, oh, this looks pretty, even just applying it right away. I love how shiny it is. Then just kind of blend it a bit. That actually looks so pretty, and this is such a flattering shade for the eyes. Whoa. It's a little crazy, once again, having such glossiness on the eye, but I like it. I feel like the glossy eye trend is kind of already a thing, but I haven't really done it, and I like it. I would do this more. I want this to become more of a mainstream trend. Wow. And I love the color. I feel like it's very flattering, but kind of neutral, casual, wearable. I'm interested to see when I leave this on my eye for a little bit longer, if it starts to feel uncomfortable and creasing, but it's not right now. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my eyelid, and that is so not what I was expecting. Like, how can something that's so high shine and kind of sticky when I apply it feel like nothing on my eyelids? I am just amazed by how fun and easy these are to apply. Like, it's still not creasing on my eyelid. And it's so hydrating on my dry lips, so glowy and radiant on the skin. I love these, and I am so impressed. They really surprised me with how easy they are to apply and wear all over the face. It makes me want to start putting all of my lip glosses on my cheeks and my eyes, but I have a feeling other lip glosses are not going to be as amazing for those uses as these are. But wow, that's all I can say is wow. I love these, and I love that they're 100% natural also. So they perform amazing, but then they're 100% natural. I can't believe it. I need to try out more products from the brand DR.LIPP. So if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.